Next, I want to show you something that's a little bit hard to see in the catalog, but we have the POP or point of purchase Christmas stamp sets, and that's the other everyday ones that came in a displayer. And now, in addition to that, we offer the sets in an individual pack. And this is one of the other Christmas ones here, but just to show you, it comes in the clamshell like this. And when you open it up, you have one of each of the 10 designs in the selection, plus you have a nice little handle big enough for the largest ones in the set, and a little black ink cube. And so I'm playing with the set here that has so many cute little images, and I just using a variety of our different pop-up cards here. I've cut out the different pieces, and I'll just move things around to show you lots of different fun combinations. This combination could be dangerous here. But anyway, let's see, we'll try penguins. Here you can make use of the different tiers. And you could put a little tree there. So you've got lots of mix and match ideas for pop-up cards. They're a great scale for this slimline card as well, and you can tuck all your different little characters into the tiers of that card. And also with our gift card wallet, you can see lots of sizes and combinations that will fit. A double-sided paper works really well, so that you've got a pattern on the outside and can do different inserts on the inside. And of course you've got all of your other dies that are part of this set that give you the place for coupons and gift cards. And here's the design that allows you to put the gift card on the inside. So the POP little sets, the pop sets, are a great go-together with gift cards or pop-up cards.